craving savings. Jen, take it away. What do you got for us today?
All right, okay, so we've got great deals today. So excited about these things, starting with the Power to Go Pro Lens Kit, right? So we all use our phones basically for all of our pictures. This kit has everything that you would need to take professional, great-looking photos on the go. So you get a wide-angle 45x lens that won't distort images, a macro 15x lens for close-ups, and an LED light clip that's rechargeable. I love this thing. I love it because so many times these are big and clunky. I mean, this is so teeny. You just clip it right on. It also comes with a protective case, and you get 11 pieces in all. Morningsave.com actually partnered with this company to make sure that it's compatible with all the latest phones, and lens kits typically are huge sellers. They're so popular. So we have seen this sold for as much as $60 on the brand's website, but we have got it for you for just $24. That's 60% off. Yeah, and it's like a professional camera, but it's literally in your pocket. All righty. So now you're gonna want to look sharp in all those amazing photos that you're gonna be taking with your new lens kit. So we've got the reliable OVO portable steam iron and garment steamer. So this is an iron and a steamer in one. It is small, but trust me, this thing is mighty. There's a patented heating system. Check it out. So see, you'll plug it in, you'll fill it with water. Yeah,
it's
right
a steam iron.
Yes.
Right.
So you can use
press
it.
or just hang your blouse up or something. Right.
It's really easy to use. It's great for travel, too. I mean, this is easy to fit in a little suitcase. It's got this here, so you're going to get all the different fabric. Yep, your lint brush is right there. It has its own little carrying case. You got your little measuring cup to fill it up. And with each use, you'll get 10 minutes of nonstop steam.
I'm sold.
You know, you're sold, I'm sold, let's do. We've seen this sold for as much as $49.
Again, I think that sounds like a great price.
It does sound like a great price, but not great enough for us because we have got it for you guys for just $24. So that is 51% off.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I love
That's very clever. I like that a lot.
It's fine. It's easy to use, too. It's like the buttons right here. It's just very intuitive.
Plus, we all want to pack small now. And you don't have to worry about whether or not you can get that service to your room or if they could put a steamer in your room.
All right.
What's this thing?
So I think this is so smart. Okay, this is the Harmony Smart Wi-Fi Diffuser with Bluetooth speaker and 3 essential oils. It creates a really peaceful atmosphere in any space instantly, because not only do you get the diffuser element with the fragrance, you get that aromatherapy, has this great LED light situation to create a soothing environment, and it's a Bluetooth speaker, so you can you can stream music directly from this.
Oh, that's cool.
So you're setting the entire mood for like a calm, peaceful environment or whatever it is, you know, that you're in the mood for at a given time. You can pick. You've got like your peppermint oil in here. You can choose from, there's a lavender, and I believe this one's the eucalyptus. That's great if you're feeling a little congested. I love using that. And again, it's just this one device that's going to do all of these things, and you can use this with your Google Home, with your Alexa device, or through the Tuya Smart app. So there's many ways to control it. It's sort of cool, right?
How much is that?
We've seen this sold for as much as $80, but we've got it for you for just $45. So that is 44% off.
Let's get on down the line.
I love these. Okay, so I slept on these last night. I'm a huge fan. If you shop till you drop, you can rest your head on these amazing pillows. So this is a
Nice
we tie it all together.
Good one.
So this is a 2-pack of cloth and gable down alternative cooling gel fiber pillows. So we've got them in a queen
I like
and
the
a king.
cooling part.
Yeah, I love that because I always sleep hot. So this is like nice and it always feels good and cool. And they have a soft blend in them of odorless, non-toxic gel-infused fibers that prevent heat from actually being trapped in here. So you have a nice, cool, and comfortable sleep. And I love these because they are the perfect firmness. It's a kind of a balance between soft comfort and stable support. And they're safe for those with asthma, allergies, and other sensitive skin conditions.
Now, only standard, or do they come in different sizes?
So we've got king and queen sizes, and it's a set of 2. And so we've seen these on the brand's website for $130 for the queen size and $150 for the king. But we've got them for you for just $39.44.
Oh, wow, that's big.
That's huge, right? 70% off.
70% off.
And remember that these deals are available while supplies last.
Yeah, that's the thing. These are all very limited, right?
Yep, very limited.
Morningsave.com is where you got to go to get them while they're hot.